Hi lovelies, welcome to Ray Deluxe here. Come unbox with me my Y26 makeup box. This box I've had for long. I've done this video for long ago. I've been looking for this video. For some reason I didn't know how I saved it, and I just come across it on my drive so I decided to share. So I got the delivery of this box from Lagos to Abuja. There's a lady, Candy something on Instagram, Candy. So I saw how beautiful, because I've always known this box. I was never ever interested in this kind of box. For some reason, I love boxes that are portable, durable, and then easy to carry around. So the ones I actually used to see before are those that do not have trolley, and this particular one came with a trolley. So it's actually If you are watching this video, the only thing you can do is just to press the subscribe button. Like the video, that's all. You don't need to give me money. You don't need to do any other thing for me. Like, I've been asked so many times, how can I support you? This is the only way you can support me. Watch the video to the end. Press the subscribe button if you have not subscribed before. Then like, that's all. I love boxes that, come correct. You don't have to do too much when you are going out, because you are appearing very, very correct. So that's the trolley, and then this is the trolley. I mean, if there's anything, let me be able to move around, peacefully move around easily. Not like I'll be working when I'm done and now jack back on my hand, even before I get to the car. No, I love easy life, and this is what I'm talking about. And then the side pocket is going to do a lot of work. Let's open inside and see what it looks like, because one thing I also like about the zip is it's a two-sided zip, and it's something you can lock when you are too busy, or you're not sure of the place you are. You can just lock your bag. I love this bag. I'm sorry, I keep saying I love the bag. Like, I'm just happy I bought this. And then here, this is what we have inside. It has a lot of compartment. Here is a brush compartment where you can hang your brushes. It makes work easier. Like, you look at them. Look. Just take a look at them. You just put your boxes, your brushes there. Like, it can contain about 10 or more brushes, and then the small bags inside, like the small makeup bags that came with it, are 4. 2 big ones. The small ones are 2, and these big ones, I've actually arranged my bag, and then I put a lot of thing inside one, including all my brushes, and it contained them, and I still have some space left. And the other one, what I put there is apron. Like, when I'm going out, I don't need my product don't have to be flying around. I have my products one side, my brushes one side, my apron. And look at this small box. Oh, guy, can contain my lipsticks. Like, I put all my lipsticks inside one, and it contained them, because it's very deep. Like, it's looking small, but when you finally stretch them, it's actually very big. This is the tire that came with it. Engineer Rookie is going to fix this tire. Just watch. And then let's get to the inside. So this is the strap that came with the bag. In case you don't want to throw the bag, you just hang it on your shoulder. So this is the compartment. This is the inside box. So these lines, this tiny lines, is what you can use to arrange the box to your taste. I mean, I love this. So let's fix it, baby. Yeah, that's more like it. So fixing it is so easy. It's so easy, just the way you want it. It's so easy. So this is what I came up with. I'm going to be arranging my product in those small sides, and then I still have some left, which I'm going to be putting beside the box and by the side pockets, just in case I need them in future, or I still need to change the way I want the box to look like. Yeah. So this is it. That's the inside. Oh God, this bag is so sweet. I didn't regret buying it though. I'm not regretting anything. So I'm going to place that there. So let's get to the tire. Yeah, this is where I bring my A game, baby. Hey, this is where I bring my A game. So this is the hole that is going to, I'm sure you understand. I don't know. So I'm actually not even supposed to use my hand to press this because this is my first time and I'm not really sure of how to fix it. So I was trying to use my hand, but at the end you don't have to use your hand. Just press it in and it goes. Then when you're now trying to remove it, maybe this is stuck somehow or there's dirt that is not allowing it to move, I want to remove it, you can actually press it and it will come out. Say God, engineer rookie. Hey, so this is it. This is what we'll come up with. I absolutely love my bag. And look at it, so portable, so durable, and it's so easy to carry around. I've traveled with this bag. No one knows that it's makeup product that is inside. And sometimes I even use it for my content work. I don't know if you've subscribed or if you're just coming across my video. Guys, subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching. Thank you for 10K. My eye is on 10K like this. I can see 10K. 10K like this. Take me to 10K, please. I beg you. Take me to 10K.